My name is Alfredo Cramerotti. I'm the director of Mostyn Contemporary Art Centre in Llandudno, North Wales. I'm a curator, so I'm here to briefly introduce the idea of what it means to be a curator, what a curator does. To curate means to bring together people and artworks and objects and stories to illustrate or to discuss or to debate or to give a perspective on something or on someone. There are many different ways of being a curator. You can work in a contemporary art gallery like this one, in which you actually put together exhibitions, contemporary exhibition, temporary exhibition, that you don't work with a collection, but you work actually with stories and ideas brought together by different artists, and you put together a narrative, a statement maybe, or a perspective on something. Then you can work as a curator in a museum, taking care of a collection, for instance. You have objects, you have maybe ancient object or maybe contemporary object, and you actually make sure that the objects are actually taken care of. A curator works never in isolation. It always works as a job within a team. Even if you work as a freelance curator, you still have to bring together people to realize an exhibition or a website project. You can maybe work with another 2 or 3 people. You maybe work with 20 or 30 or 200 and 300 people. It really depends actually on the project itself. Within an institutional structure like this one, the curator works with the rest of the team, from the director and the management to the finance department to the marketing and press department to the front of house actually, and to the technical team. It's an interesting job because it puts you in touch with many different expertise, and you learn a lot. You learn about other people's perspective, which is essential when you're dealing with artists.